Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming to you from beautiful Highlands County, Florida. We're in this town of Sebring, and we're coming to you from 7116 Goldenrod Avenue here in Sebring. It is a corner lot right behind me, as you see. This is Goldenrod to my right here. They do maintain this grass road here. We just saw the gentleman on the big tractor just one street over. He's cleaning that one up, and I'm assuming he's going to come right here and clean up this road here on Axelrod. And if you look down to this, right down at the end of the lot, you'll see Wolf Lake. Wolf Lake is just probably 2-3 minutes down the road here, and you can access that, and you can take your boat on that. They have a boat ramp, everything right there for you to utilize. Again, this is 7116 Goldenrod Avenue in Sebring. It's a 0.11 of an acre. It's 40 foot across the front of Goldenrod, 125 down the side of this street right here, which is Magnolia Street. 100 feet down, or 125 down to the back of my truck that way. It is a 5,000 square foot piece of property. The taxes on it are extremely low at $53.44. It is a well and septic property. You can have a mobile home on this if you wish to. You can build on it. You got a neighbor right there. You got power overhead. You got other neighbors up there as well. So you can build on this piece of property, or you can put a mobile home on this piece of property right here. Again, this is Goldenrod. This is a road right here, and it is maintained. Like I said, we saw a tractor that's actually doing one street over, so he'll be down here cleaning this up here and probably within the next hour or so. So let's go here, and we'll show you the 40 foot across the front, and we'll see you there. All right, here we are in the northwest corner of your property here at Goldenrod Avenue. We just showed you the 40 foot across the front of Goldenrod here. And we're going to have, actually, if you see behind me, we did, Sam was trying to shoot a close-up of the lake that you can see down at the end of the road here. And we saw a couple deer walking across the street, or walking across the road here. So you'll be able to see that in the presentation as well, which is a nice treat to be out, see some wildlife when you're out filming today. As you can see behind me, the lot right here kind of grades down and back up. You'll have a lot of palms, the smaller palms. You got a lot of pine trees on here. You got some oak trees in there as well. This one's a little bit overgrown, so we're not going to really be able to get back to the back corner of this property today. But you can see it is level, buildable. You got neighbors all around you here. This would be a great lot to clear up, put a mobile on, utilize the Wolf Lake down at the end of the street down there. This is a great buildable piece of property. So now let's go ahead. We're going to head back up to the front, and we're going to show you the 125 foot down Magnolia. We'll see you there. Okay, now as we come back up to the corner of your lot here, off of Goldenrod onto Magnolia, you're going to have 125 foot down to the back of my truck. Actually, it's probably a little bit past my truck. That's kind of where we stopped at. But we're going to head down that way, and we'll see you there. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We showed you the 125 foot down Magnolia here on your beautiful piece of property here in Sebring, Florida. Again, we're at 7116 Goldenrod Avenue here in Sebring. It's a 0.11 of an acre, 40 foot across the front of of Goldenrod, 125 down Magnolia, 40 foot across the back, and 125 foot back up to Goldenrod here. It's a 5,000 square foot buildable piece of property. It's mobile friendly. You can have a mobile on here if you want to as well. There's a lot right there. Looks like it's about the similar size to this one here. Someone's built a home on that. You got a neighbor right there. You got power overhead. You got a dirt road here, and you do have a maintained road here. We saw the tractor. He's actually clearing off the road right next door to this one. So I'm assuming he's going to come back around here and clean all this up, and so we'll have access to the property from there. You got several neighbors down the road as well. Taxes on this property are extremely low at $53.44. It is a well and septic property. Again, it's mobile friendly. So if you are looking for somewhere to put a mobile home, this is it, because you have beautiful Wolf Lake right down at the end of the street here. And we'll show you that, and we'll show you the maps as well. The location on this is outstanding. The property is just 2 minutes off of 66, which will take you east-west, either side of the state of Florida. You're just 8 minutes from Wolf Lake. If you were going to take your boat and put it at the boat ramp, you're going to have to drive out and around, but it'll take you about 8 minutes to get there. From here, you can have access to the lake. If you wanted to put a canoe or kayak or anything into the lake from here, you can do that, but there is a boat ramp that you can access Wolf Lake. It'll take you about 8 minutes to get there from this location. And then again, you're about 10 minutes from US 27, which is the main thoroughfare through Highlands County. That's just 10 minutes up the road. We'll have all your dining and shopping, everything you need there. You're just 5 minutes from the Highlands Hammock State Park, just down the road here, just less than 5 minutes. So if you want to go hiking, biking, just right there, you could probably ride your bike right there, or you could walk to it. It's that close. It's just less than 5 minutes from here. Flying into this piece of property, you're going to have two options. You have Orlando International Airport, which is about 2 hours north of us here. You can come straight down 27 to 66, and you would be at this property. And you have about an hour and 45 minutes to the Tampa International Airport, which you can fly into Tampa, get here within an hour and 45 minutes. This is a beautiful, mobile-friendly corner lot here in beautiful Sebring, city of Sebring, in the county of Highlands County in Central Florida. Beautiful lot, power overhead, dirt road access, beautiful Wolf Lake down at the end, a beautiful lot, buildable lot. And like I said, if you're looking for a mobile friendly lot, this is it right here with access to Wolf Lake. Good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.